Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drift a Jeep Compass. It's important to understand that this vehicle, being a compact SUV, is fundamentally not engineered for the specific dynamics required for drifting. Its design prioritizes stability and everyday utility over aggressive cornering. Attempting to force a drift can be incredibly dangerous, leading to unpredictable handling and a high risk of losing control. The Jeep Compass's design, including its higher center of gravity, makes it inherently unsuitable for drifting. This elevated position significantly increases the risk of a rollover if you attempt sharp, uncontrolled slides. Furthermore, the suspension is tuned for a comfortable ride and stability, not for the rapid weight transfers essential for initiating and maintaining a drift. Its all-wheel drive system is designed to prevent wheel slip, directly opposing the goal of drifting. Beyond the vehicle's design limitations, attempting to drift a Jeep Compass carries substantial risks. You could cause significant mechanical damage to the transmission, axles, and tires, leading to costly repairs. More critically, losing control of an SUV during a drift can result in severe accidents, endangering yourself and others. These actions are not only unsafe, but also often illegal on public roads, potentially leading to legal consequences. Instead of attempting to drift a Jeep Compass, we strongly recommend focusing on safe and responsible driving practices. If you're interested in performance driving techniques like drifting, consider enrolling in a professional driving school or participating in track events with a vehicle specifically designed for such activities. This approach ensures safety, protects your vehicle, and provides a controlled environment to develop advanced driving skills responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.